Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing two things that I got from AliExpress. I got it from the store called Fidget Toys Dropshipping Store. I got one fidget spinner and a slider. So the fidget spinner is called Multiple Play Magnetic Slider Fidget Spinner. If you guys have heard of it, then you know what it is. I'm excited for it. And then the slider is called Hot Movie Magnetic Push Slider. So, Hot Movie Magnetic Push Slider. Yeah, I really love how they're labeled sometimes. So let us just jump right into it. Use my new scissors so I have no trouble. Dump everything out. Alright. Ooh, that's cool looking. I like that. A little case. It's nice. Let's just take this out right now. This must be for the Hot Movie Magnetic Push Slider. I see the Hot Movie. Alright, so which one first? Let's do the Hot Movie Magnetic Push Slider. Alright. Oh, I got a G1. Neat. Cool. I'm a fan. Alright, so this Hot Movie magnet. I had to get this because I just had to see how it played. Also, Biohazard symbol, I'm a fan. I used to work with biohazardous materials, taking apart dual-headed gamma cameras. Oh no. It just shot out. My God. So let's see, there are and I lost the other one. It just, oh no, let me see if I can find it. Okay, hang on guys. Okay, I found it. All right. Wow, this is powerful. All right, let's take out these balls. Hopefully they won't. Oh, they jumped. Let's see what it's like without the balls. But that was something else. That actually feels nice. Sounds nice. it feels nice and it sounds nice. For 20 bucks, you know, it's not that bad. I like to take the balls out so I can do this and just kind of spin it around. But it does feel nice. And what did they send me? Oops, what did they send me for these? Are these zirconium oxide or? Huh. I am not sure, but let's see, let's put one, just one. And it's very strong, very positive clicking. Very powerful. Very powerful clicking. Okay, I'm a fan. I enjoy this. I like it a lot. I didn't think I would. Or I thought it would just be like, meh. But, oh, it's not bad. Not bad at all. And it looks nice. It does look nice. Let's see how much it weighs. Let's put these back. Okay, put them back, and then $65 grams. Not bad. Not bad for this little thing. I like it. And, you know, this little depression in the middle really helps with sliding. So that makes it feel nice to slide. So the construction of it is definitely nice. Moving on. To this cute little thing. Oh man. I love this little package. How cute. So I cannot really beat that. But the packaging is very nice. So there's an extra bearing. Not that I really know how to change these out. So this would be my second spinner. So my first one is actually this cap collision. I love this tiny thing that I am not very good at spinning, but yes. So this tiny collision, this is my first one. My first spinner, love it. And then this would be my second one. So, moving this aside, out of camera view. Wow, cute. I got the brass version. I like brass. I like brass a lot. it does spin well. Wow, that's very smooth. Oh, I can't get it to spin very fast. Or do any warps. Whoa. There we go. Whoa. Cool. It spins so smooth, man. This is awesome. So this is the spinner portion of it. It is 3 things. Spinner, supposed to be a slider, and also a clicker. So that's the clicker portion. Yeah, wow. It just is so nice. I just can't, wow, okay. So then, this is the slider portion. And you can just keep going, I guess, if you're bored. But it is a slider and also a clicker. So yeah, this slider portion, gorgeous. You can just, wow, it's like an infinite slider. Well, because it is circular. But it does feel good to just continuously move this thing. Move it over and click it back. This is awesome. This is, you can get these on other websites. I've also seen it called trisomy play, or like triple play, triple action, whatever. Ooh, I got it. I got it to spin. And warp. It's so cool. Man, all right. So this, I highly recommend it. It is gorgeous. Let's see. It's heavy, but it's like the weight that, let's see how heavy it is. Because I'm saying it's like the weight that you want to have in your pocket. But that's all up to you guys. 69. Nice. All right. So, as I was saying, it's the perfect weight that you want to have in your pocket. All right. So yeah, this has been a review of the multiple play magnetic slider fidget spinner, and also the hot movie push slider. Hot movie magnetic push slider. So yeah, that is about it for these guys. Have you guys had either of them or wanted either of them? Let me know in the comments. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if so. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a fantastic day.